Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into a crucial topic. 6 common mistakes that age your brain faster and how you can fix them. You know, we always talk about taking care of our bodies, hitting the gym, eating right, but what about our brains? It's the most important organ in our body. And just like our physical health, our brain health needs attention too. We're going to break down these common mistakes, things you might not even realize are harming your brain health. The good news is that by making a few simple changes, you can protect your brain and keep it functioning at its best for years to come. Remember, a healthy brain means a healthier, happier you. Stick around till the end for a special checklist to boost your brain health. Let's kick things off with the foundation of a healthy brain: sleep. We all know how crucial those 7 to 9 hours of sleep are for our bodies to rest and recharge, but did you know that sleep is like a nightly spa treatment for your brain? While you sleep, your brain is hard at work, clearing out toxins and consolidating memories, essentially hitting the refresh button. Skimping on sleep, even for a night or two, can have a real impact on your cognitive function. You might notice difficulty concentrating, remembering things, or even feeling more irritable. Chronic sleep deprivation, that's linked to more serious issues like an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. So how can you improve your sleep hygiene? Start by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. A warm bath, a good book, maybe some calming music. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark and quiet, and try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. We all know exercise is good for our bodies, but it's time to ditch the idea that exercise is just about physical health. Regular physical activity is like a shot of espresso for your brain, boosting blood flow and delivering a surge of oxygen and nutrients. Think of exercise as a way to stimulate the growth of new brain cells, particularly in the hippocampus, the area of the brain responsible for learning and memory. Studies have even shown that regular exercise can actually help protect against cognitive decline and reduce the risk of developing dementia. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a marathon runner overnight. Start small. Incorporate brisk walks into your routine, try a dance class, or find a sport you enjoy. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. You've heard the saying, you are what you eat, right? Well, it's especially true when it comes to your brain. The food you consume directly impacts your brain function, so choosing brain-boosting foods is crucial. Think of your brain like a high-performance car. You wouldn't fuel it with low-quality gas, would you? Your brain thrives on nutrient-rich foods packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. So what should you be loading up on? Focus on colorful fruits and vegetables like blueberries, leafy greens, and bell peppers. Incorporate fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. And don't forget about nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Chapter 4, let's talk about stress. We all experience stress in our lives. It's a normal part of the human experience. But chronic, unrelenting stress, that's where things get dangerous for our brains. Imagine chronic stress as a constant drizzle on a sunny day. At first, it's just an annoyance, but over time, that constant drizzle can erode even the strongest surfaces. Similarly, chronic stress can have a toxic effect on the brain, leading to memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and even increasing the risk of mood disorders. So, how do we combat this silent brain aging? Incorporating stress management techniques into your daily routine is key. Try mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for protecting your brain health. Chapter 5. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection, interaction, and a sense of belonging. And guess what? Our brains crave it too. Social isolation, on the other hand, is like starving your brain of essential nutrients. Think of social interaction as a workout for your brain. It challenges your cognitive skills, keeps you mentally engaged, and helps maintain those crucial neural connections. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections tend to have better cognitive function and a lower risk of cognitive decline. So make an effort to nurture your relationships. Spend time with loved ones, join a club or group activity, or even just strike up conversations with people you encounter in your daily life. Your brain will thank you. Chapter 6. Remember when you were a kid and everything was new and exciting? Your brain was like a sponge, soaking up information and making new connections every day. Well, the good news is that you can tap back into that childlike curiosity and keep your brain sharp at any age. Think of your brain as a muscle. Just like your muscles need regular exercise to stay strong, your brain needs mental stimulation to stay sharp. Engaging in mentally challenging activities is like hitting the gym for your brain. So how can you challenge your brain? Try learning a new language, picking up a musical instrument, or tackling a challenging puzzle. Read books, engage in stimulating conversations, and never stop learning. The key is to keep your brain active and engaged. That's it for today's video on the 6 common mistakes that age your brain faster. Remember, taking care of your brain health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can protect your brain, keep it functioning at its best, and live a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for your 7-day plan for a healthier brain checklist. Let's keep our brains sharp and healthy together. See you next time.